Assalamu alaikum. This is Habib. I am from Shibchar Upazila in Madaripur district. Shibchar Upazila and Madaripur district is situated southern part of Bangladesh under the Dhaka division. First of all, when I scrolling my Facebook, I saw the video of Rajan sir of English fantasy. So then I have contact the teacher of English fantasy and I want to know about the English fantasy. Then I have chosen the English fantasy to admit here. Then I came here. I came here within since only 10 days. So I am so excited to learn English. I am very excited to learn English. We are enjoying here to learn English. We have to speak always in English. If we speak Bangla, we have to pay fine 10 taka per each word. So it is very helpful for us to learn English fluently. So we are trying to learn English very quickly. I am here only 10 days. So that's all. That's all for the time being. English fantasy has given a very nice environment, very helpful environment to learn English. Thank you so much, English fantasy.